But now I realize I have committed a mistake. She should know the value of the money. She should know what kind of a money I am earning. She does not know it is 1 crore. She does not know that she is a partner. She does not know that she is getting a salary. She does not know that the money which we have spent abroad, he has withdrawn only $3,000, where the expenditure is for $20,000. We have not told her. Jewelry she has bought. Sometimes she buys the jewelry without telling you also. He's asking for bank locker. You say, sir, this is the bank locker, but child ticket, what you call, the key is not available. The child comes, sir, father, here is the key with you of the locker. So are you getting my point? So there are many stories to be told. I have just started, but I don't have time, please. We'll do sometime later. Thank you very much for patience.
Dear members, you agree? It's a real CPE, it's a real continuous professional education, real awareness, isn't it? And he is doing it in a style which is very inimitable and it's truly of his own. And kindly give a standing ovation for the gentleman and thank you. In fact, he requested the two thing. One is tax planning through the trust and such and Caesar. That's why we put a separate thing where director of inspection has come separately and where he has told. There also I asked a specific thing regarding the statement. People are recording statements at 1 o'clock. This is the circular. This is a thing. Specific questions I asked. He said, sir, as far as I have not recorded, he said, actually, no, department will not record, he has not told. Whereas he said, I have not done anything is there, only from a collaborating evidences only I ask questions. I never make an estimate, I never record, he mentioned it actually. This is the thing. That's why we de-link the whole thing. The charitable trust also, department opinion separately we have taken, and his presentation, we made it separately. So thank you very much, sir. As a token of love, I request Mr. Bhima Bhatt, please come and hand over a memento to our chief guest. Sir, you have searched our hearts. In fact, you have surveyed our knowledge and seized our love and affection. And you have conquered our hearts too. So we become heartless, I would say. Since you have already conquered, you have spent a very valuable time, value addition, and practical also. It should not be highly theoretical. I can say WTO and all those things, but the thing is, you must be able to relate it. Why branch bank audits, so much crowd? They have an appointment letter in hand. So what they are doing, NPA, provisioning, prudential norms, it is somewhat related. So always whatever we discuss, it should be, may not be super diversified professional. The CPE of tax or company or bank finance may not be related one. But majority of the people, if it there, then we try to do that. And the super specialty subjects, we do it through the what you call virtual conferences mode and other modes, we try to do that. But still, whatever they say, the traditional areas of our practice are showing signs of drying down. There are many new emerging areas like due diligence, where we have a transaction advisory, which we are holding it tomorrow, where Mr. Ramakrishnan, who is specialist in that, is coming for that merger, demerger, amalgamation, hiving off, transaction advisory, stepwise hand-holding how to have a due diligence. Because nowadays, our medium clients also growing big, and they try to come out with PE investors are ready to do it. And the traditional bank finance, they are, they are avoiding to have the PE so that the interest they could save. So all those issues are there now. The question of goodwill, trademark, patents. Earlier for working capital, 11:30 they had to come to branch manager, requesting him to pass the check. That is not there. They try to get a PE investor and try to have a relief from the thing. So naturally, before going and buying, we must know what are all the areas. Suppose assuming your client is taking the money, the due diligence is done by another bigger firm or something like that. What documents you have to keep it ready, what to highlight, All those things are very, very important. And assuming your client is investing, then what are all the questions to be asked? So how to ensure that he has got a business contracts in pipeline, and what are all the commitments, or how to make the projected P&L, how to see through the game. All those things assume a greater significance. And what are all the professional opportunities emerging now? That is being discussed by Santana Krishnan and PD committee chairman. We requested tomorrow. And appeal side, Mr. Ved Jain will be coming for ITAT. And so like that, even we are inviting Mr. Pattabhiram, capital markets and derivatives, including the new guidance note, what we are coming out. That is also being discussed. Then the art of preparation of project report for sure bank finance and corporate debt restructuring. Suppose if a young professional today joining a job in campus interview, they are asking corporate debt restructuring. Getting a project finance, you leave it. First, we have to restructure. How to get the better tax rates, how to have better interest rates, how to have moratorium to be extended. All those things assuming a greater significance. What is the procedure? How to do that? That also you must have materials also for that. So the back, that is Vinay Muruthanjay is coming from Bangalore to talk about that particular subject. Like that, we have an interesting one on 31st also. We have a program here. You can register, those of you not registered, and we are giving a separate New Year cake. It is sponsored by Bozzuto. Sir, we are giving individual cake to everybody, no? All the people registering on 31st, we are trying to give. And tomorrow we have a lucky dip also on 31st. New Year mega lucky dip also there. 10 sponsored gifts are there. So I want you to have all balance. And another one, in the traditionally we do it in December, the CP committee. This time we will do it in January itself. For your next block, you can, we give 8 plus 8, 16 hours. We will have a program where it will be done at a very, very reasonable rate. Very, very reasonable one. We want to do it. And I request the CP committee chairman, collect all these things and try to inform them once we finalize this particular program. And I have to, words are not enough. In this, some bad weather was there and no buses are running as such. Still they have come in large number because the gentleman is something unique personality, the energy. See, the positive energy. See, people. It's okay. Yeah. So kindly make best use of it. And whenever the central committee is doing a program, the CP committee, definitely they bring the best of their speakers, and they will also come and they will give their best. That is because it has got all India dimensions. And thank you very much for having. And many thanks to Mr. Arulvali, and who is like a rock of Gibraltar in the headquarters. And like whatever, over the phone, I was totally out of station. I just came on 26th evening, 27th it was there. Only speakers, this one, funding, and what are all the advance to be paid by Delhi. All those things only we have taken care. Other things he has taken care. And the excellent administrative support extended by the staff. Always when we do a program, I have seen excellent. They try to do that registration and all that. So I have to give a big support there. And all our committee members, and Revati Raghunathan, she is a committee member, and our Rajarajeshwaran, chairman, everybody always joining hands, doing a 5-day program, 6-day program. In fact, originally we kept 2nd and 3rd also. But now we have got a best presented accounts. We have to give it in Bombay. CFO, CEO program is there. I cancelled it. Otherwise, it is leaving first. We kept a 7-day program actually, so that the next block, anybody want to use it also, you can get it without unnecessarily, without making holes into your packets, and how to make the best use of it. We wanted to do that. And thank you very much for the excellent support. Tomorrow, it will start at 9 o'clock. Mr. Santana Krishnan will be doing it. I invited the Chief Commissioner also, TDS and other people. Kindly stand up for the national anthem.
भारत भाग्य विधाता
पंजाब सिंह हिमाचल यमुना गंगा
उच्छल जलधि